In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete MyFitnessPal account. This guide will help you through the process step by step. Following these instructions will ensure that you can remove your account smoothly and securely. Let's get started. First, launch the MyFitnessPal app on your device. You will see the familiar interface that you have been using for tracking your fitness and nutrition. It's important to ensure that the app is fully updated to avoid any glitches during this process. If you notice that the app is not responding as expected, consider restarting your device. This step matters because it sets the stage for a smooth experience as you navigate through the account deletion process. Next, tap the More menu, which is represented by three dots in the bottom right corner of the screen. This menu is where you can access various options related to your account and app settings. Once you tap on these dots, you'll see a list of additional features and settings. This is crucial because it leads you to the Help section, which contains the option to delete your account. From there, tap on Help. This will open a new page with various support options and frequently asked questions. You may see options related to account management, troubleshooting, and more. It's essential to reach this point because the Help section is where you'll find the option to delete your account. This action signifies that you are taking a decisive step toward managing your account as you see fit. After that, select Delete Account. This option will usually be at the bottom of the Help section. Once you tap it, you may be prompted with some warnings about what deleting your account entails. This is a significant step because it confirms your intention to permanently remove your account from their system. Understanding the implications of this action can help you make an informed decision. At this point, enter your current password to authorize the permanent deletion. This security measure is in place to protect your account from unauthorized access. You'll see a password field where you need to type your password carefully. This step is important because it ensures that only you can make this significant change to your account. After entering your password, double-check it to avoid any mistakes. Finally, tap the Final Delete Account button to confirm. This is the last step in the process. Once you tap this button, your account will be permanently deleted. You may see a confirmation message or screen indicating that your account is on its way to being removed. This provides reassurance that your action has been successfully processed. Remember, once you confirm this step, your data will be deleted permanently, and this action cannot be undone. Now that you've completed the process of deleting your MyFitnessPal account, you can feel confident that your data is no longer stored with them. If you have any further questions about this process or need assistance in the future, please refer back to the app or their support website. Thank you for following along, and I hope this tutorial was helpful for you.